Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reset Instagram password. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Instagram app. Okay, and tap on profile icon and click on three dot option. Okay, then scroll down and tap on log out. Okay, then tap on add account and tap on this option and click on username, email or mobile number, then password. Okay, to reset Instagram password, the first of all tap on forget password and change your Instagram password. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.